Welcome to Todd Talks, the place where we explore the cutting edge of HVAC technology and how it can elevate your business. I'm Todd Sutherland from Tropic Supply, and today we're diving into the ICM 870-16A and the ICM 870-32A from ICM Controls. These advanced compressor protection modules are game changers for anyone working with residential air conditioners and heat pumps, ensuring that your installs are not only efficient, but also long-lasting. Let's talk about why the ICM 870 is such a valuable tool for the HVAC professional. When you're out in the field, one of the biggest concerns is protecting the compressor. These little modules do just that by continuously monitoring the voltage levels. If things go south, say the voltage drops too low or spikes too high, the ICM 870 steps in and prevents the compressor from operating under those harmful conditions. This simple action can significantly extend the life of the system, which means fewer callbacks for you and happier customers overall. What's really impressive about the ICM 870 series is its soft start capabilities. By managing the compressor or motor's inrush current during startup, it can reduce peak current demand by up to 70%. That's a big deal, especially in situations where you're trying to minimize power draw, whether it's in a residential setup or a commercial building. The built-in self-learning algorithm really takes it a step further by optimizing this process for each specific application, ensuring that the system runs as efficiently as possible. Now, if you're working with a two-stage HVAC unit, like our Rude RP14AZ and 15AZ series heat pumps, you'll appreciate that these modules are fully compatible. If your system, though, has two compressors, you'll need two of the ICM 870 units. But the peace of mind that you'll get from knowing both compressors are protected is worth it. One of the standout features for me is how the ICM 870 doesn't just protect, it also monitors. It keeps an eye on everything: voltage, current, the overall health of the system, and if there's a fault, the module halts operation, initiates a 3-minute anti-short cycle routine, and even gives you diagnostic information through these LED indicators. That level of insight can help you prevent small issues from turning into big, costly problems. And let's not forget about installation. The ICM 870 series was designed with the contractor in mind. It's compact and easy to install, whether you're integrating it into a new system or retrofitting an existing one. The pre-wired leads and straightforward instructions make the process quick and painless, which saves you time on the job and allows you to deliver quality work without any headaches. When it comes to wiring in the ICM 870, it's really straightforward. You'll use the 16A model for AC units with compressor rated load amps of 9.1 to 16 amps, and the 32A is for ACs with compressor rated load amps of 16.1 to 32 amps. You'll start by locating the compressor contactor in the electrical compartment. That's typically where the ICM 870 will be connected. Then simply connect the white and red wires on the ICM 870 to common and HERM on the run capacitor. Remove the run wire from the contactor and splice it into the brown wire. And then connect the black wire to T1 on the contactor. It's that simple. And all the connectors you'll need are included in the box. Now, the module can do its job of monitoring and controlling the voltage. And of course, once everything's connected, you'll want to test the system to make sure the module is functioning correctly. The LED indicators at the top of the ICM 870 will help you verify that everything's working as it should. By reducing the likelihood of compressor failures and cutting down on the need for expensive repairs, these modules save money for both you and your customers. And because they're so versatile, they can be used in anything from a 1.5-ton system to a larger 5-ton unit, making them an essential part of any HVAC toolkit. Thanks for joining me on Todd Talks. Remember, Staying ahead in HVAC means embracing innovations like the ICM 870 that drive performance and efficiency. If you want to learn more about how these modules can protect your installs and boost your business, don't hesitate to reach out to Tropic Supply. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in HVAC. I'm Todd Sutherland, and I'll see you on the next episode of Todd Talks.